Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a thrift store haul, and so these are just finds that I found from the thrift store. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. So like the first item I got from the thrift store is this cute poncho. It's like a little pullover. It's from Justice. It's very cute. It's like a flowy top. And I only bought it for like $3.50. So it's really cute. Disclaimer, I am showing some of the clothes from last week's video from the thrift store that I got also. The second item that I found from the GW is this top actually attracted me. It's like an off-the-shoulder top. Also, I showcased this in last week's video in my fashion haul, so make sure you go watch this video after this one. It has these cute buttons down the middle. I think I paid $3.50 for this one too. It's really cute. It's like a flowy top. Maybe like Hawaiian flowers. So, yeah, it's really cute. The third item is probably my favorite item that I got from the thrift store. It's this cute top from Rue 21. The brand is Rue 21, but it's from the thrift store. And then it's like an open back in the back, so that's pretty cute. It's see-through too. But the favorite piece I like are the sleeves. Like, they're absolutely cute. Look at this, they're cute. And they have cute roses. So yeah, it's from Rue 21. The fourth item I got from the thrift store is this cute striped, kind of like a plain normal top, and it has these cute pink fabric on the sides of it. It's just for casual wear, you know, if you just want to throw this on with some jeans, it's kind of casual. It's from, the brand is Cat and Jack. And also, if you look closely, they have some pink thread and the little buttons. So I like this top, it's really cute. Here's the back of it. So yeah. That's all I got from the thrift store. Make sure you leave a big like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what was your favorite piece of this thrift store haul, and I will see you next week. Toodles!